Sa ibang balita, inaasang malulutas na ang mahabang pila ng mga pasahero sa LRT at MRT. Ito'y matapos lagdaan ng DOTC, PPP at AFB o AF Consortium ang isang kasunduan para sa pagpapatupad ng automatic fare collection system. Si George Bandola ang ating tagapagbalita.
Maiibsan na raw ang mahabang pila ng mga pasahero sa LRT Line 1 and 2 at MRT 3. Pinirma na kasi ngayon ang concession agreement sa pagitan ng DOTC, PPP at AF Consortium. Ang concession agreement ay magbibigay ng karapatan sa private firm na AF Consortium na gumawa at mag-operate ng mga automatic fare collection system sa lahat ng linya ng LRT at MRT. Dumaan sa bidding ang 1.72 billion pesos AFCS, ang kauna-unahang public-private partnership project ng DOTC sa ilalim ng Administrasyong Aquino.
We are driven by our commitment to pursue this project and the PPP program with a deep sense of dedication to do what is right along the path of transparent and credible diligence. The AFCS project is a testament to the government's commitment to revitalize our public mass transportation system, to have a world-class, state-of-the-art technology and facility, and to improve the overall comfort of the general public.
These steps we need in order to be competitive once integration happens is to modernize and streamline government operations and regulations through the use of ICT. The AFCS project is the DOTC's first leap forward in modernizing our transportation systems. From the archaic state of most of our facilities, we want to tap cutting-edge technologies in this age of ICT to deliver the transport services our people deserve.
Nagpahayag naman ng kasiyahan ng mga nanalong bidder, bagamat magkatunggali sa halos lahat ng negosyo, magkasama ngayon ang mga ito sa isang consortium.
I just want to assure the government through Secretary Bayad that the consortium, and we speak also from the Ayala Group, is seriously committed to modernizing the payment system for light rail and maybe a broader ecosystem for modernizing this payment requirements of the people and easing the burden of travel for millions of commuters on light rail.
And something that I think has bound us on that front is a unity of spirit in wanting to find new solutions to get things done more efficiently and easier for the consumers and the customers here in the Philippines. It's something that has brought us together on many occasions, on many fronts, and I think has brought us to this consortium here together.
Sa darating na Hulyo, sisimula ng konstruksyon ng mga bagong AFCS, kailangan matapos sa susunod na Hulyo ng 2015, habang sa December ng 2015 magagamit na ito ng publiko. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.